Friends, we'll now learn to create orthogonal views of objects. First, let's sort out some conventions. There are two popular projection methods, first angle and third angle, shown with these symbols. In practice, the first angle method of projection is widely used. So we will use the same. Let's apply it to this interesting object. This L-shaped solid object is lying in the first quadrant. We'll see how to draw its front, top and side orthogonal views. So, first draw a horizontal reference line XY. Then a rectangle 1, 5, 2, 6, 12, 10 and 11, 9 is drawn above XY line. The numbers in the parentheses represent the hidden corners. This is the front orthogonal view of the object. Next, draw a line 3, 7, 4, 8 parallel to the line 1, 5, 2, 6 at a height of 8 units. The rectangle 1, 2, 4, 3 is the front view of the horizontal L-shaped stem of the object. Now, let's construct the top view. As we can see, it is a rectangle of dimensions L by W. We extend vertical projectors from 1, 5 and 2, 6 below line XY. Then a line 9, 10 is drawn below and parallel to the reference line XY. Next, draw the lines 9, 3 and 10, 4 equal to the length L and join line 3, 4. This rectangle is the required top view. Now, the object is viewed from the left side. So, we can see the L-shaped image on the auxiliary plane. This view appears adjacent and to the right of front view. First, draw a vertical reference line MN, which intersects the line XY at point P. From point P, a construction line is drawn, inclined at 45 degrees in the fourth quadrant. This line is used for transferring distances across different views. Now, draw projectors from the corner points of the top view to meet this inclined line at 10', 12' and 4'. Next, from front view, draw horizontal projectors from points 2, 6, 4, 8 and 12, 10 parallel to the line XY. From points 10', 12' and 4', vertical projectors are drawn upwards to meet these horizontal projectors. Join intersecting points to form the side view. This is the complete set of orthogonal views of this object. Finally, draw the first angle projection symbol at the right bottom corner. My friends, let's now create orthogonal views of this machine bracket as seen in the direction of the arrow. So, draw a horizontal reference line XY. Observe, from front side, the bracket appears to be a rectangular slot of size 100 mm by 70 mm and its thickness is 15 mm each on the each side. Now, on the top of this rectangular slot, there is a hollow cylindrical block of diameter 60 mm which appears as a rectangle of 60 mm by 20 mm. The cylindrical block has inner diameter of 40 mm. There is a through hole of diameter 30 mm. These parts are shown with dotted lines as they are hidden in front view. So this completes the front view of the bracket. Now to construct the top view, project all details from front view below reference line XY. Draw a vertical center line from the center of the rectangular slot. The top view of the rectangular slot appears as a rectangle of size 100 mm by 80 mm. Here we can clearly see the holes in the center of the rectangle. These holes are drawn taking the common center point on vertical center line. The two holes on the fillets are not visible, so they are projected as dotted lines. This completes the top view of the bracket. So let's draw the side view by projecting the details from front view and top views. Don't forget to give necessary dimensions. So that was simple, wasn't it? Now you know all the necessary techniques and theory behind orthogonal views of objects.
अगर आप भी मेरा मनोबल बढ़ाना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, शेयर करें अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।